What up, kings and queens? Come on, kings and queens. What up, one? Guys, listen. We have a new video that we're about to introduce. But you know how it go. Make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to comment. We want to hear your good, positive comments. That's right. Even the ones that were positive, we want to hear them too. You know what I mean? That's right. Yes, so tonight, guys, the video is all about come home. Come home. Come home. Ah, boy. Then try to make me come home tonight, but you know, say, then me, well, jump over fence, because you know me a bad girl from Magazine Lane. Them knee we climb tree. Yeah, climb one of trees. Them knee we play sightings, stocky. All them sitting that crawl on the bed, hide and seek. Then try to make me work them knees tonight. But you know what? Me make it home. Me make it home with the bed income. Did it? If you don't believe me, watch and see. Alright? Watch and see. Me might crawl to come home, but me make it home. Guess what? We'll come home. We'll come home. Come home. Alright, guys. Enjoy the video. Alright? And make sure you share. Sharing is caring. Alright? That's right. Alright. I believe in love. I believe in unity. I believe in friendship. I believe in you and me. No matter what the color of your skin may be, I believe in us. I believe in us. I believe in us.
If you're married then, begin with a stone. If you're bushy, we are travel with a comb. See the other, another bone time. Pretty little, pretty where you're going.
Yes! But we're gonna make it home. We all need a
I got this. I got this. I got this. So there. You hear that? You hear this?
You know what's stuffy? You know what's sightings? You know what's climb tree? No.
How much mango tree you jump out there?
No.
You hear that?
Oh, we're gonna make it. Oh, we're gonna make it home. Who can make it
What's
home?
kind of the jump class?
Who can make it home? If you say you can make it home? Yeah?
Hey.
You can make it home? Of course. You can make it home?
I'm not asking nothing.
You can make it home, Sean?
Yeah, we're sorry, sir.
I'm gonna try hard. We're gonna try and make it home. I'm trying to make it home. Alright. We're going to go back to the starting point.
Right.
Yes, you want everything. You want like you want.
You got the knee part in there, man. So this is you got to jump everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. One. No. Make it warm. Make it warm. Wide up. Yeah, you have to put so far. One. Oh shit! Damn! But that was good though. That was good, you miss it. Not bad. No sir. See me all the one that was a crook. I know Carly go to this try. Damn! Almost gone. Good. Walk with her. Man, I'm gonna do it though. I want to try again. Yeah, try. Go home, girl. Go on home. 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 Go on home, Daniela. Go on home. 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 Then he said, come back. He said, come back.
Yeah, that's all right. Hey, realize. Kiva, come over here with Mario.
Oh shit. Me can't make it warm.
You can make it. Confident.
Here you go. Sure. Sure, listen. Don't go listen now. Look at it. Yes.
You never.
Why we can't make you the blow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You have to stand up, man, and then step grass. Stand up and stand up straight and then step grass. Stand up, yeah. And then put on here, yeah. Yeah,
Almost.
yeah, man.
Just the wrong foot.
Hey. You have to stand up. You have to stand up, stand up.
We're going to make it, we're not going yet.
Alright.
Make sure you pay attention to your foot then.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Right, left foot.
Left foot.
Yeah.
Left foot.
Wrong foot.
So what we are go through?
Listen.
Make it one.
Yeah. Home. He barely make it home. He step on the wrong foot. Whatever.
You make you will make it. You make you will make it.
So, Kiva,
Me not go.
you know why you need to go, man.
Me can't go.
You need to go home.
Me a turn out all
You
night.
want-
Make you will make it.
Me no walk home. Me a turn out.
You want that inside in the house? Come home.
Me alone a turn out that door.
Come home.
No.
Fix on that.
Yeah, go home.
Yeah, go to me, huh? Man, this shit hard. The God be there now, me fool.
Come here, step it up. Yeah, come.
Come, step it up.
Step it up, brother. Yeah, come.
That's twice. Wrong
So
foot
you have to see
again.
back.
What's
Wrong foot again.
Well, yeah, you're wrong foot then.
Kiva, what the heck are you doing? Chocolate, what are you doing?
You barely make it home.
The beer in the
That was fun.
Show me on.
I'm tired. Come on,
All right.